Hello,
Hello,
guys. Welcome back to our
Another video.
Today we're gonna play one game.
We will be playing with my British and American accent. They will be playing these two. He came British and she came from America, USA. So we are going to play paite language. The most.
Winner.
We will be playing. If they don't know, they'll be
Who know
repeating.
paite language?
The one who knows
Subscribe
first will
and
be the
like.
winner.
And whoever knows Nagamese,
Lippy may be
like
writing
and
right now
comment.
their marks. Okay, guys. Let's
Who
start.
know Nagamese, share and comment. Who know paite, like and subscribe. Yay! Let's start.
Call in paite. Come here.
Không phải vậy không?
Which one is the winner? Suan, right?
No. Deep.
Deep. Suan got 1 point. Just use hello.
Sorry. Second round.
Second will be, what do we call in English? Bible. Paite.
Oh.
What do we call in paite? Bible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lai sang thầu.
0. Wow.
The best. The eyes like lai sang thầu.
Lai Xiang Thou. We call Lai Xiang Thou in paite. Okay, Bible.
Yes. And by Nagamese, we don't know.
It's Bible, I think.
Third round.
Okay, now, what do we call in paite? Porridge.
Mi bọc. Phần là.
Suan.
Nó đi.
How is it?
Okay. Fourth round.
What do we call in paite? Dai liang mo. Tell in English.
Number 2. Yeah. Don't try Selva. Sorry, Selva. Round 5.
You can tell me in English. What do you call in English?
Oh no.
Pak Pi Piao.
Flower. Give flower.
Tell nicely again.
Give flower.
Correct, both of you. Give flower. Pour the flowers. Pour water flower.
Đi một số. Yeah. Đi mình thôi. No.
1,
Let's go.
2. Give flower. Why do you have to give flowers?
I give flower. Round 6.
What do you call in paite?
That goes too much in stuff.
Knife.
Knife. Why is it like
5, 4,
Oh no.
3, 2, 1.
Kimchi. Kimchi scissor.
Temta. We call
Oh,
temta.
my God, ako na.
Kahinay, Lopi.
You brought my mouth. Round 7. Round 7.
Round 7. What do you call in paite?
Nagamese stand where? No, they're Nagamese.
What else there? Cup.
Knock. Not knock.
Paite, you have to tell me. Paite.
Knock. Cup.
5,
Copy. Not
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. No. We call no.
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 No reaction. I'm gonna wait. Oh, nice. Round 8.
What I'll ask now?
Nagamese.
What do you call in paite?
Nagamese.
Food. Rice food.
Oh no! Yes! Refreshing.
What do we call in English? You should tell me in English. Okay. Leg lock, back walk. What is
Stupid. Stupid, shut up. Number 10. Repeat.
leg lock, back walk? You don't know what.
There was a lot of force. Okay, round 9.
I don't know what I'll tell now. What do we call him? Nagamese.
Yeah.
Nagamese, what I'll ask. You had food or not?
Again,
1, 2, 3. Both of you. Pad Thai Sena Kha này, Pad Thai Sena Kha.
Round 10. So, what do you say broom in Nagamese?
Nagamese, what is
Charu.
Suan?
It's for you, Bo. Salah.
Salah Chimo what?
You're dealing. No. Yes.
No one is allowed to tell now. Okay, Kiki? There. Okay, next question will be
Round 11. What do you call a dog in Nagamese?
Um. Count down.
10, 5, 4,
Oh, look.
3, 2,
Good
1.
ah.
Go. Time up.
No.
Oh, time.
Kuta.
Kuta.
Almost
Kuta.
Buddha.
Kuta.
No, I want to go inside.
Now you can ask him.
I don't want to.
Tell him paite.
Okay. Round 12.
Still go in part.
Now paite turn.
Do it now.
So, in paite, how do you say, where are you going?
Where are you going? 5, 4,
I don't know. Deep in.
2,
Stop counting.
1.
I'm
Time's
ready
up.
for summer. I'm ready.
Cô ya bay đi. Cô ya bay đi.
Oh,
Cô ya bay đi
no.
là cái chị lâu.
Go by đi. Go by đi. No, I didn't go. No. You at least have to stay for 10 minutes, mother.
Round 13.
Okay, round 13.
So, how do you say in paite, I'm hungry?
Kill. Oh, no, no. Go kill Suan. Go kill Suan. Go kill. Go kill. Go kill Suan. Go kill.
Suan try na. Kagil ba means opposite word of kagil.
Go kill Suan. Go kill Gua. Go kill.
Not gua.
I forgot.
Gil kia lay cái gì đâu.
Gil Gale.
Kagil
Gil Gale. Gil Gale. I'm so already got that. Hammering done. Yellow nose. Okay, start again. The next level. 14.
So, in paite, how do you call mom?
No. Oh, no.
Quarter of an echo. Let's say this right.
Then, in paite, how do you call grandfather?
Grandfather.
Poo. You did not know we to count poo at what?
Enough.
You did it 2 times a day.
Round 15. In paite, how do you say bird?
Fine, but I'm fine.
Faglu.
No.
Remember Faglu?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Time's up.
Oh no.
Vasa.
Ayun,
Vasa.
Bagsa. I can use Bagsa. What Bagsa? No, I don't. I'm not strong. 20 times stronger than you.
Yes, strong.
I don't want to go inside. It always happened to me. Yes, sir. Start.
Round 16. How do you say mango in paite?
Mango. Is not. No.
Oh, it's in
Hindi.
Hindi.
5, 4,
Mango.
3, 2.
Balloon.
Hello.
Balloon?
Hi, everybody. Hi.
Oh,
We go
hello.
hi.
Oh,
Hi.
just before I saw you talk.
Hi. Same with hi, but
Eating with hi
the
also.
tone is different.
Hi.
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 Bye.
Enough.
Not enough. More.
Fun.
No, some more. I have to try to win at least 1 or twice a day. Okay, begin.
Round 17. In Nagamese, how do you say, where are you going?
Good try, na ganun. Good try, Shay. Wrong.
Swan, correct.
Good idea. I'm gonna go. Then put me inside. I'm gonna go. I'm too strong. What's that? I'm melting into pieces. Next question.
Next question will be
Next question. In paite, how would you say, like and subscribe?
How would they like to subscribe? It's too complicated.
Paite tu. Ano like sa kulan na subscribe sa kulan. Himay dia. Same.
Subscribe. Just that it's like a subscribe. It's a draw.
Next question. In paite, how would you say, I'm going for number 2?
Cái tài lì.
Kadaling means darling. Going for number 2.
This is for that. I'm going where?
Going.
Going.
5,
No, I don't do.
4, huh? Paite. 3.
Wait, okay.
Two.
Okay, no, not yet.
See now I'm counting.
Okay. Go number 2.
Kadaling di. You tell right. Kadaling di.
Start down, yeah.
You will tell right one. Kadaling di.
Cái đài lên đi. No, it's good. I'm strong and brave.
Siamte, you're very. That's too.
Start.
Next round.
Question.
In paite, how you'll say you are beautiful?
Có lồng rồi. Có lồng em. Nó năng lồng rồi.
Lom lo. Little a bit something missing.
Lồng em. Em mình.
Lom lo ti tu ka kipak tin dan.
Ô.
Na kilo me.
Ô,
Na
năng
na
lồng
mel
em.
hoy. Mel hoy na sia.
Alam sẽ năng mel hoi. Năng nam mel hoi bài ra tụi tôi. Okay. I'm gonna do by myself. You get out, you guys. Then come again. Okay.
Do we still have question?
Yeah.
Next round.
And interesting.
So in paite, how would you call your father?
Father.
Papa.
La.
Is it busy like English one? Papa. Oh, Papa. Papa.
So then in Nagamese, how would you call mother?
This is that. Ama.
Right.
You're not thinking then.
It was not enough.
Then in paite, how would you say water?
It's me. This is three. Oh yeah, three. That's why we're going three.
Next round. In paite, how would you say chicken curry?
No. What is that?
5, 3.
Chicken. No, chicken is chicken.
Chicken.
Boksa.
Boksa is pork.
Chicken fry. I count.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Aksa.
Then
Next.
next round. In Nagamese, how would you call potato fry?
Potato. Alu.
Fry potato fry.
Fry. Alu fry.
Correct.
Aloo sabzi.
Someone says today's alu fry. Okay.
Next round. How would you say egg in Nagamese?
Anda. Suku anda.
So not even.
Tinggi just.
In paite, how would you say how are you?
Hello, man.
No. Kalau means thank you.
Always. Welcome. What did you say just now? Oh, the question.
How are you?
How are you? Like that.
Na puti tu nak kau bang kian masa boleh. Nadam ya, bang na jiwa, bang na semua.
madam, yeah. My friend, trust in me. Hey, they're little. Only little, not her eyes. Okay, next one. Next round.
In paite, how would you call your sister?
She's
No.
a big sister. No, is mommy. Big sister and big brother same sister.
Ooh.
Yes. We call oo. Don't follow, okay?
Don't follow, not you.
Next round. In paite, how do you say fish?
Fish.
Baksa.
Baksa tu pork. Saya same sada saya.
Oh, sa. Aduh.
Ngasa.
Ngasa.
Ukol na.
Ngasa. Correct. Ngasa.
Borat.
Ah.
Don't drink, okay?
Now we have to be for 10 minutes. Next one.
Next round. In paite, how do you call a person without teeth?
Window opening. A purse. Have it a person. Aku. What? They're telling this is aku. Hanelo. Yeah. Peter.
On. In paite,
10, okay. You're 10. You have to push our head.
in paite,
Your eyes red now.
how do you call pork?
Bukasa.
All of them on this side.
Okay, then in paite, how do you call a slipper?
A slipper.
I don't know, last night also we talked about.
Get up.
Yeah.
Yay.
Get up.
Get up and show also get up.
In paite, how do you call a book?
Book.
Business.
Notebook and same last night also.
Book. Book.
What did your noodles say to your book?
I forgot though. But I cannot think about it last night though.
In Paite we call
No. Book.
get low boo.
Get
Notebook we call get low boo.
Next round. In paite, how do you say good night?
Mong power.
How do you say good morning?
Chibay. Oh no. Chibay is
5, 4,
Morning,
three,
morning.
2, 1.
Good morning, hello.
Time's up. Zinkarpa.
Zinkar.
Buti nun ko. Ibu Edward.
That principal also told Zinkar pa na.
Zing.
I'm too sad.
Next round. In paite, how do you say food?
And 10 minutes, okay. 10 minutes now. Do it.
Now
No
in,
enough. Your eyes red.
Okay, doctor.
now in paite, how do you say plate?
Plate.
Where's my plate? I took the knife. Good plate like yes, eh?
Phải tiêu chi là mất. 2, 1. Quang là quang lâu, xem thế. Quang là quang là quang phải sư về.
Why I don't?
Hay giống không? Quang được quang là.
Then in paite, how do you say where are you going?
Where are you going?
Come back here.
Tell na. 5, 4. Where are you going? Don't know where are you going? You don't
Making
know.
sentence with that one is there.
Yeah, then where are you going? Tell na.
Nang bằng here.
Nang ko pa dek.
Nang quay by
Ko pa dek là Suan. Why kayo?
Next, in paite, how do you say who are you?
Nang bằng here. Nang bằng là. Nang bằng là na.
No.
Nabang la to. What is that?
What is it? If I should talk to you, dog. Talk to me, mom. Okay.
What's the question? I forgot.
In paite, how do you say who are you?
Nang kwa e.
Nang qua e.
Nang kwa la.
Nang qua là. Deep. Deep. Okay. Happy na?
In
Last
paite,
3 questions. Let's
No.
go.
10 questions more.
Dia dah tutupang na lo bilang ninan sam dan ke.
next question.
Yeah.
In paite, how do you say
At silay ka.
what is your name?
What's your name? In paite bang ah. Okay, kana imong 5, 4.
I don't know.
Namin bang la. Namin bang eh. Nang min bang mo boy. Nang min bang. Nang min bang. Kan Suan.
Now, second question. In paite, how do you say I don't know?
Katilo.
Last question. In paite, how do you say bye bye?
Tell me, mom.
Mang pa o.
Mang pa o.
Mang pa is good night. Siamte your turn.
I'm disgusting. Bye. Let's cancel. No go. Không phải vô. I'm too strong. No.
Oh, phải ở trường. Come here. Deep down. Enough. Bang lanang na ka. Din lagi mo. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching today.
Thank you for watching.
Bye bye. See you in the next video. Siamte got many things in the water. There.
Something cried.